Guys, for this episode of the Basic Series, I want to talk you through top vent maintenance. Now, after every cook, once the Kamado is cooled right down, you want to take off the top section and give it a quick wipe inside and out, just so it's ready to go for the next cook and it doesn't become sticky. Now, if you do need to take off the bottom section, then you will need to reseal it. You will need to take that off. And all you need to do is 3 small strips of felt gasket. You can buy this on the online store or from your local hardware store. All you'll need to do is 3 strips, 1, 2, and then 1 at the front. This will just reseal it. 3 strips, 1, 2, 3, and then pull it on. That will then slide down. You can see here it's rock solid again. And you're ready to go for the next time. Guys, if you like what you're watching, then please subscribe to our channel. In the description box below you'll find all the useful links, like our Facebook community page and our Instagram and our website.